Hello everybody, my name is Craig Bennett, and today I'm going to get into a quick Fusion 360 video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to animate and make a video for your product. So one big thing to note is at this point I recommend putting everything on screen as if you were needing it for the first frame. This is a major thing to note, and this includes any items and placements and whatnot. It's easier to do it now, but once you have it, what you need to do is go there and then go all the way down to animate. We can have multiple storyboards and all that stuff. I'm not really going to focus on that, but the biggest thing that you need to note is the timeline down here. The thing is the timeline basically says at this point the item or camera will need to be at whatever position, and it will try to put it at that position, and you can increase the length or decrease the length and all the other stuff. So what you need to do is, and by the way, if you have multiple items on the screen and you hover over them and multiple visual items, so like right here where we got a ghost, it really doesn't matter because that's other parts not going to be able to be visible. But if we have other visible parts that are highlighting, when we're highlighting, say for example this part, this means that we need to go back and actually make this into a new component altogether, and then come back and see if it still highlights. And you can do a Control Z or a undo to undo that once you're done. But otherwise, when you're moving whatever that's highlighted, it'll move everything that's highlighted. It's important to note that. But anyways, as far as this goes, so say for example, if I didn't have it in a position I wanted to, either the camera or whatever, I can actually adjust it right here by pushing it back to 0 and adjusting the camera as I want. So if I want about, say, the 60-ish mark for this to actually go and slide in, what I could do is just slide it in to where I want. Okay, that, and as seen here, we have now this. So what this does is it basically adds that motion. So if we go and press play, we can see it here. Now that was pretty quick, so we can extend that if we want, as you can see there. And what I can do is I can turn, or I can have multiple things going on. So for example, I basically told my camera at this point the camera needs to be here, and I'm telling the thing to do whatever. So that's a big thing to note. And a big thing to note is this doesn't show physics. Items can pass through each other and all the other stuff. But say for example, if you got a client and you are making something and you just want to make sure get a go ahead before you start, manufacturing whatever, this might be an easy, quick way so everybody's on the same page and you're able to make a product that they want. But anyways, as far as that goes, your next step is go to publish video and select whatever you want, and then okay that, and then the AVI. The thing to note is if you see MP4, go for that. It's AVI, just save that as whatever, and then you can upload the AVI file to YouTube or put it in a converter to put it into an MP4, and most people can watch it. And most people can watch AVI, but just in case, you can convert it if you want to. But you can upload it straight AVI to YouTube and should be fine there, and that way you can just give them a YouTube link and there you go. But anyways, as far as that goes, if you got any questions, anything else like that, then let me know, and I'll try to answer it as quickly as possible. Leave a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next video. Hope you have a great day.